Okay, let's talk about profiling. When you've compiled your code for Polaris, you've run your code, you might run into issues that you need to understand, performance issues with the GPU. And so we're going to talk about the tools that NVidia provides, these NSight tools for profiling compiled codes on the GPU. I'm going to assume that you are familiar with the tools. This is not a tutorial on how to run the tools. That would be a different tutorial. This is how to use the tools effectively on Polaris if you're accustomed to using them. And so we will start with a quick example. You will see, so here we start by just introducing the fact that the NSight systems and the NSight compute compilers are part of the CUDA toolkits that are installed. So if you have a CUDA toolkit loaded, I think these also may be available by default. We'll test that out. Then you will immediately get those in your environment to utilize. So if you're going to profile with NSight systems, you of course use NSys. And here's an example, profiling command line that you might run. And then NSight compute, again, another example command line that you might run. And then how you're going to post-process these. So if you are running on a machine like a desktop machine with a monitor and a screen, a way to see the outputs interactively, you might run these in the windowed application of the NSight compute and systems. But since we're on a remote machine, you don't want to do X forwarding. I mean, that's going to be really slow. So what we recommend is you process those files on the supercomputer on Polaris, and then you're going to SCP those files to your local machine, your desktop or your laptop. Then you're going to go to these two pages. You're going to download the version for your machine. So this is the NSight systems. And so you would go here and you would download the appropriate one for Windows or Linux or Mac. And same for NSight Compute. So you would install these applications on your laptop and look at these files from your laptop. So let's get ready to go through one of those examples.